No, I'm not an alcoholic.
हाँ, तुम तो चुप करो। कस्टडी तो मुझे ही मिलेगी, चाहे जो भी हो जाए।
काम डाउन, मैं बात कर रही हूँ ना।
Order, order. Please maintain the decorum of the court.
योर ऑनर देखिए इसको, खुद को नहीं संभाल पा रहा, बच्चे को कैसे संभालेगा।
ओह, हेलो।
Order, order. Please start the hearing.
Your Honor, we have the blood test reports of Mrs. Samara Malhotra, which clearly shows that she is a drug addict. And because of this addiction, she started getting blackouts and was fired from her old job.
Objection, my lord. This test was done 6 months ago, hence it cannot be held admissible. And as of now, my client is perfectly clean and fit to raise a 4-year-old.
पहले का है। अभी वापस टेस्ट करा लो, मैं गारंटी के साथ बोल सकता हूँ टेस्ट फिर से पॉजिटिव ही आएगा।
Hey, you don't try to challenge me, okay?
Okay, control your.
सबको पता है कि तुम भी कुछ कम नहीं हो, मिस्टर अर्जुन मल्होत्रा।
Please, मुझे भी बोलने दीजिए. Just control your client, Mr. Pranav.
Sorry, Your Honor. And now I would like to put light on the fact that Mr. Arjun is also out of job and not financially capable to raise a child.
Your Honor, my client is already looking for a new job, and with his qualification, he can easily find one. Unlike Mrs. Samira, he is fully capable emotionally and financially to raise a child.
Oh, by the way, मेरा नाम समायरा है।
Your Honor, we request a continuance to collect more evidence.
Okay, concede. Better be prepared for the next time. The court is adjourned till the next hearing.
Meera, I need your help.
Oh my god, what's up with you? Are you alright?
The case is not going in my favor and I'm so gonna lose the case.
अरे कस्टडी तो हमें ही मिलेगी. You don't worry. I'll be there in your support.
कैसे होगा यार? मुझे बड़ी टेंशन हो रही है। Could you please help me get out of this? I've been sober since last 6 months and I've been trying to prioritize my daughter. You are the only person I trust.
Okay, calm down. I'll help you out. There's this support group called Steps to Life. The sessions are really helpful.
I hope this group helps me get the relationship with my daughter that I dreamed of and to live a life of deep gratitude and joy.
See, I realize that it is a tough journey, but you need to get out of it somehow. Also, there's something I should tell you.
And you're telling this me now?
Order, order. I request both the advocates to start the hearing.
In the last hearing, Mrs. Anika had put forward some serious allegations on my client by calling her a drunkard and not a fit parent. And now I would like to prove that Mr. Arjun's personal life is not as perfect as he wants everyone to think. And for the same, I would like to call Miss Meera on the stand to give her statement. Miss Meera, could you please elaborate on Mr. Arjun's personal life?
For a very long time, the fact was hidden from Samira that Arjun is a drug dealer. He was the one who supplied me with drugs back.
Objection, my lord. These are all false accusations on my client. I would like to ask my opponent, does he have any proof of all this?
Mr. Patil found drugs in Mr. Arjun's car and his fingerprints all over it, and this is the proof.
If Mr. Arjun is not a fit parent, then neither is Mrs. Samira, because she's an addict.
No, actually, she's not. According to a recent drug test reports, she's absolutely clean, and this is the proof. Oh.
Okay, after hearing and analyzing both the evidences, I hereby sentence Mr. Arjun to rigorous imprisonment which shall extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine which shall extend to rupees 1 lakh under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. I shall grant the custody of the child to Mrs. Samaira under the condition that she attains the rehabilitation center to get sober immediately, and until then the child remains in the custody of her grandparents.
Navya, how did you get to know?
Samara met me yesterday and she told me everything.
Oh, yeah, obviously. I'm so stupid. Like getting the custody of a child wasn't enough for her.
Hey, calm down and just look at you, man. Why would you ever sell drugs in the first place?
I did that for my child. And a few.
How cute. Nice. Now, when is your child? You do understand that drug acts like a parasite? It eats you from the inside. It keeps you away from the reality. And for what? Just to chill? You chose to take this path, and you must know that your child will spend all her childhood without the father. I'm still your sister, and I love you, but you are alone now. Crying won't help. The damage is done. After doing some research, the police have found that about 4 kids overdosed themselves 3 days ago when their college student mixed drugs you sold him in their food.
What?